Take it away.
Sure. Hi, I'm Christine Garrett. I'm an adult librarian at Elyria Public Library, and today we're doing Taste of the World Hot Mulled Cider. First off, you need apple cider in a crock pot. And turn your crock pot on low. Then add 4 orange slices, 3 cinnamon sticks, and 1 tablespoon of whole cloves. If you do it on the stove, it'll be ready as soon as it's warm. Crock pot, give it a couple hours. Whole house will smell delicious. You can also add frozen cranberries, frozen blueberries, or fresh. After 4 hours, scoop out and add another little slice of orange or an apple garnish to make it pretty. Delicious.